Alexis with Your Book of Memories. I've got another project to share with you guys today. This time I used the Stamperia Baby Girl, okay, super cute paper, very unique in its designs. I'm not sure who the artist is, but it's just absolutely adorable, very vintage, and it's a very washed out type of collection. Now, I use these products and a lot of them that I'm gonna show you from scrapbookcreate.com. So if you wanted to make one of these books with this paper, that's where you can go to get it. It also came with these scrapbooking cards, which you'll see throughout the collection, right? Throughout this book. This is so super cute. It's got them all ready to go for you right here. You could still do some fussy cutting if you wanted, but I kind of just pretty much kept it pretty simple. And so you're gonna see Prima flowers, 49th and Market flowers, all that you can get from Daphne's shop. This beautiful satin, this is about almost a 1/4 inch, I believe. And then I've got this on the spine. She had these charms, oh my goodness. We've got like a baby carriage, a little pacifier, a bear, love, and this super cute little sippy cup. I think that's so cute. I did add some string from my stash, of course. And then you can find similar ribbon in their store as well. I had ran out of it, but here's the back. Okay, now I will not be making a tutorial on this project. I know, don't freak out. But down in the description box, I'm going to have all the cut list available down there so you can assemble it. You're gonna notice a couple pages that are familiar from a couple other projects. So I've got some seam binding, again, from their shop, so pretty. This is like a, oh my gosh, crepe paper flower with glitter on it. It's just super pretty. Okay, so this was one of the scrapbooking cards. Of course, I had to put congratulations on the front. Super cute. Oh my God, I love it. So when you open it up, this is what you get, okay? Pretty cool. This is from my animal style folio, and I did something different over here. We've got some flowers going on, some fussy cut images. I used my circle punch for these. And then you open this up, magnetic closure. Look at that signature page right here, so pretty. A couple pieces I just paste on, some more flowers, and I did do a ribbon pull tab right here. This opens up. Okay, super cute, 4x6 photo spaces. I forgot to smudge paint on this side, but you're gonna see paint smudges throughout the book as well, okay? So super cute. And then look what I did. I attached a little charm on the side, Kathy Orta's idea. It's super genius, like a little eyelet on the side in the corner. And then you can hang something from it. This really cool interactive element, it's so cool. Okay, so I assembled this page just pretty much like a scrapbook, you know what I mean? I got a bunch of paste stuff there. And then this opens up again. And then we've got this corner pocket. Okay, so again, I teach you how to make corner pockets. If you are a beginner and you're stumbling upon my channel now, it would be great to go figure out how to make these so you're confident enough to just look at the description and jump right in, okay? So photo spaces here, love this, absolutely gorgeous, okay? We're doing it. Okay, so that was the front inside cover. Okay, so here's the first page, a small little waterfall right here. There's the paint, little cut apart, super cute, little girl in the back, magnetic closure there, simple place for a photo. You flip this over and you got more picture space here, okay? As well as here. Now you're gonna notice again, this is a on-page pocket right here. And then we've got some journal cards, tuck spot, super pretty flowers, another charm hanging right here, little teddy bear holding a flower. And a little tuck spot right here, places for photos and journaling. They provide a lot of journaling spaces in this. Of course, the baby's first year could go in here. And I'll show you on the back a cool little feature. So this opens like this and down as well. Okay, little fussy cut little images right there. Love it. Okay, now this pocket is super cool, okay, animal style. That's what it was inspired by. They actually give you this page of pieces that you can fold in half, so I just kind of made it a booklet. I attached some twine in there, okay, right down the center. Really cute. You could put like little baby notes throughout your journey of being a mom and just all that super cute stuff. Okay, now we're flipping the page and on over here. It's a little bit chunky, okay? Stripped of design paper, and then we've got more of these, okay? Super easy, simple, again, animal style. I've got this We Are Memory Keepers notch. I'll show you how to do that in one of my tutorials. Super cute. Look at this. Easy journaling spots right there. And you can even stuff loose photos in here. You can fit more than what I have. I added a charm there, of course. I think that's a safety pin, yeah. And then a little onesie It says baby on it. Oh my gosh. I didn't mat the back because I completely forgot. So how many paper collections did I use to get this? I used 2. Okay, they come with 10 pages each, so a total of 20 pages in here. So now that is super cute, right? Look at this. I mean, you guys probably have dies out there, but I hand cut that. I tried my best, okay? And I matted that. But look at this. This is the scrapbooking cards, but I kept it in its packaging, right? So that's their glue that they had, and I was like, you know what? Why don't I just leave it in the book form? So I did that. Super cute. Some more little loose things there, and then this is kind of like, I was thinking to do a belly band, but then I was like, no, I want to do something different. So that's what I decided to do. Really tiny little letters, script right here in white on that pink paper. Really pretty. Of course, 49th and Market, flowers, and as well as Prima. Okay, so this is that acetate. I don't know if you can see the glare on there. Okay, there it is, magnetic closure, some more flowers. And guess what we got? We've got punches. Okay, I punched with my circle punch months 1 through 12. It even has 1 year on it. Okay, so that's all this good stuff in here. We got these cards, journaling spaces, all this pretty stuff, and that all fits in this cute little pocket, and I absolutely love it. And that is it. So this is what I created using scrapandcreate.com, right? They've got this paper line, as well as the flowers and the ribbon and the seam binding. Okay, Stamperia, baby girl. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.